Inkantolo yanqumela uZuma izinsuku ezingama-60 ukuba khokhele isikweletu kanti uma ehluleka yanika umbuso igunya lokudla impahla yakhe okubalwa kuyo nemali yakhe yempesheni. Ummeli kaZuma ukhale ngokungaphathwa kahle umshushisi kuleli cala.
My learned friend for the presidency makes it a habit of insulting me all the time. He makes submissions. The second time that I appear before this court and is my opponent, where he insults me. The first insult is that I make disingenuous arguments. Disingenuous means dishonest, but it doesn't show exactly where I've made a dishonest argument.
Usolo umshushisi ngokubukela phansi amalungelo abantu asebeke babhekana nencindezelo ngoba nakho engakaze anyathelwe amalungelo akhe.
He says I make emotional submissions about Zuma's rights. Well, the rights of Mr. Zuma and everybody else, maybe he's a product of privilege, I will say that, and he's not suffered any human rights violations, and maybe that's why he's able to simply regard arguments about the rights of individuals as mere emotional.
Inkantolo ebihlezi ngohlelo lokuxhumana nge-internet ayidalulanga ukuthi izosikhipha nini isinqumo.